At Creative Floors, we understand your desire to fall in love with your home all over again, starting with great floors. Our mission is to make this transformation easy, efficient, and enjoyable for you. Here's how we streamline the process from start to finish. Our step-by-step process. Free in-home appointment. We begin with a complimentary consultation to understand your needs and preferences. You select products. Choose from our wide range of high-quality flooring options that suit your style and budget. Write-up proposal. We prepare a detailed proposal tailored to your selections and requirements. Proposal acceptance. Once you're happy with the plan, we move forward together. 50% deposit. A deposit secures your project and allows us to proceed with ordering materials. Order materials. We ensure all materials are of the highest quality and ready for your project. Schedule delivery and installation. We work around your schedule to ensure minimal disruption during delivery and installation. Project completion. Your dream floors become a reality as we bring your vision to life. Final payment. Upon completion, the remaining balance is settled. Warranty release. Enjoy peace of mind with a warranty on both labor and materials. At Creative Floors, we pride ourselves on professionalism, quality craftsmanship, and offering affordable flooring solutions.